Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the organizing, which is one of the most important function of management. Topics I have discussed in this video are meaning of organizing, major responsibilities that fall under the organizing function, importance of organizing and process of organizing. Let's see the meaning of organizing with example. Organizing is the process of structuring an enterprise and dividing its resources to accomplish goals efficiently. Managers need to have a comprehensive knowledge of the materials, personally, and budgets available to them so they can create optimally productive systems and relationships. For example, managers decide how to structure departments or pair employees who work well together on assignments. So we can say with the help of organizing, the work activities of the organization can be assembled in an interdependent and interrelated environment which can be helpful to achieve the objectives of the organization through efficient and effective manner with the help of available resources through division of work. Now let's see the major responsibilities that fall under the organizing function. First one is delegation. Management defines roles in an organization by specifying responsibilities for each position. It also establishes individuals' employees' work action which regularly changes. It means the manager of the organization distributes the work responsibility to each employee based on their skills or work performance, and they can be responsible to make decisions by facing different situational challenges within the organization. The another major responsibility that fall under the organizing function is department structuring. Management decides which department their organization would benefit from having or making adjustments to existing ones. Sometimes managers combine or break up departments to meet better focus on specific objectives. So we can say with the help of department structuring, a desired level of result can be achieved by defining the formal roles and responsibility to the employees of different departments and by managing the flow of communication and by guiding the expected performance to the employees and also by interlinking the different segments, groups and individual working for the achievement of the corporate goals in an effective way. The last responsibility that fall under the organizing function is distributing authority. Management establishes the reporting structures that organization depends for an accurate communication and efficient oversight. It also grants different degrees of authority for each level of management by enabling employees in some positions to make key decisions or enforce standards. So we can say distributing authority is a process by which a manager assigns some of his tasks or work to his subordinates on a selective basis. The subordinate exercise authority on his behalf to accomplish the task, which can be helpful to increase the productivity and profitability of the organization in a better manner. Now let's see the importance of organizing. First one is organizing facilitate efficient management. Organizing is necessary for the performance of other functions of management, as poor organization may result in duplication of work and efforts. So we can say organizing can be done in a manner to bring efficiencies in the organization by proper utilization of available resources and by distributing the authority and responsibility to the employees and also by providing means for personal development to them. The second importance of organizing is it facilitates coordination and communication. Organization creates a clear-cut relationship between the departments and helps in laying down balanced emphasis on various activities. It also provides channel of communication and coordination of activities of different departments. So we can say with the smooth flow of communication, the work performance by the employees can be performed with reduced level of misunderstanding and reduced level of conflicts as they know what to do, how to do and when to do. Such action can be helpful to enhance the unity of action and coordinated efforts among the employees towards the common goal. The third importance of organizing is it facilitates growth and diversification. Sound organization helps in the growth and expansion of the enterprise by facilitating its efficient management. It also increases the capacity of the enterprise to undertake more activities. So we can say an organizing function can be beneficial for the organization to increase their revenues by expanding their business activities in the different business market by distributing the work performance to different employees based on their skills and work performance, which can be helpful to increase the capacity of the enterprise with more work activities with competitive advantage. The fourth importance of organizing is it ensures optimum use of resources. Organizing leads to the optimum use of all material, financial and human resources. It matches the jobs with the individuals and vice versa and also ensures that job position is clearly defined. It minimizes confusion and wastage of resources. So we can say organizing can be helpful for the organization to make a proper use of material resources, financial resources and human resources in a better manner by distributing the roles and responsibility to each employee, which can be helpful to reduce the wastage or misunderstanding and also conflicts and dispute can be handled within the workplace. The fifth importance of organizing is it provides for optimum use of technological innovations. Sound organization structure is not rigid. It is flexible and provides adequate scope for adoption of new technology. The last importance of organizing is it facilitates specification. Organizing provides a great scope for bringing specification in every department of an enterprise through proper allocation of jobs among the employees. So we can say to achieve the specification, the activities of the organization should be distributed and grouped with the help of division of work. Such action can be helpful to take care that the workload is balanced and there is no case of underwork or overwork among the employees. Now let's see the process of organizing. Organization as a process refers to the way in which the work of a group is arranged and distributed among members to efficiently achieve the objectives. It creates a relationship of one job to another and lays down the scope of authority and responsibility. The duties are fixed in such a manner so that the work is performed with speed, accuracy and economy. The process of organizing involves the following steps. First process is determination of objectives. The purpose of the organization must be identified. Objectives determine resources and various activities which should be done to achieve the organizational goals. So we can say the objectives of the organization must be set which can be helpful to achieve the organizational targets or objectives in a better manner by competing other competitive businesses. It can be helpful to improve the productivity and profitability of the organization with improved performance and improved revenues. The second process of organizing is identification and grouping of activities. If group members are to pool their efforts successfully, there must be proper division of the major activities. Each job should be accurately classified and grouped. This will help to avoid duplication of work. So we can say the grouping of activities among the employees must be done based on the merit of their job performance, which can be helpful to achieve a successful result by utilizing their efforts in a right place and in a right manner. The third process of organization is assignment of duties. After grouping the activities into various jobs as per the nature of the work, similar activities should be placed under one department. Each individual should be given a particular task according to his ability and skills. So we can say the allocation of tasks should be done on the basis of qualification and skills of the employees, which can be helpful to achieve a successful result within the organization with the help of the employees' efforts and proper use of their work activities. The last process of organizing is establishing relationship among individuals and group. The activities which are performed by person holding different positions must be related. Every person in the organization should know about his responsibility, authority, and accountability so that there can be a coordination or cooperation among individuals and departments. So we can say by establishing relationship among individuals and group, a unity of action towards the common goal can be achieved, which can be helpful to improve the work performance of the organization, and it may result a improved level of productivity and profitability by assigning responsibility, authority, and accountability to each employees within the organization. If you find this video helpful, please like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.